We're here at Florida Technical College in Kissimmee, where we're talking to Eddie Serrano from this Career Services Department, and he's going to talk about what Career Services can do for you. Let's go check it out.
Sure. So what we can provide in our department when it comes to services is our main goal is for our students to be able to get employment when they finish their program. So we help them with developing their resumes, we do mock interviews, but most important part is that we try to keep a network of employers in the area to help them to get employment. We want to be that bridge, that close that gap between the students and the employers. So when the employers have a need for employees, they can reach out to us and we can be able to provide them with candidates that come from our school. We believe that by doing so, we increase the opportunity of the students to gain employment and help them to just achieve their goal by starting their career. Well, the resources that we provide at the school is not only for the students that are currently in school, but also for graduates and alumni. Our department is available to everyone who have attended to FTC. And we provide them with what we can to help them to anything that related with employment. So again, like the network that we provide with the employers that we have around the area help tremendously. But anything else that they might need to help them, like to build a resume, maybe a portfolio, or maybe to do an application online that sometimes might be a little bit more difficult than others. Whatever we can to help them, that's what we're here for. The student can access job opportunities in many different ways. Obviously, they can do things on their own. They can do the job search online. As well, we have employers that reach out to us. And when they reach out to us, we tend to provide that information forward to those students that are not currently working. So keeping communication with us in our department is very key, very essential for the students so they can be able to get employment. So we will reach out, let them know about the opportunity the employers are doing, what they're offering, and hopefully, if the student agreed to, furthermore, or explore more on the opportunity, we forward a resume to the employers, and from that point on, the employers will set up an interview with the students and hopefully, or the grad, and hopefully, that will turn out to be a hire. When I started my career here at FTC, there is a lady that at the beginning, I used to work in the Orlando campus, and she was finish her externship. She didn't speak very well English, but she was a very hardworking lady. And somehow, some way, she ended up getting hired after her externship, and which I was very surprised because obviously her handicap with the language, it was very, very noticeable. Well, 3 years later, the lady came back to school and she saw me and we started talking, and it turned out that now she's the manager of the office. So I think the will of a human being to just do better, regardless of the handicap or the obstacle they have, it just shows you that when you really want something in life, you really need to work for it, and it will pay off. So that's one of the stories that really impacted me, because I saw the handicap, but she saw more than her handicap. She saw an opportunity and she actually excelled with it. Every single school, the FTC have, Florida Technical College around the state, they have a career service department. You can reach out to the front desk, ask for career service department, and you guys will be connected with the department. So here in Kissimmee, my room is 140. We right in the middle of the hall of the building. So you can just reach out, ask for Eddie Serrano or for anyone at Career Services, because we have a team to be able to help you and assist you with any help or anything that you might need with related with career services.